Utilizing the gallery in .vu is really easy. If you already have an image, you can simply right-click the image, go up to Change Image, or double-click the image to prompt the gallery to open. If you don't have an image on your page, you simply go to the store, search for image, and drag and drop an image into your canvas. This will immediately prompt the gallery to open. Here you can choose an image, you can cancel out of the gallery, and you can of course upload a new image. Note that when uploading a new image, it is uploaded to your account and you thereby have access to it throughout all of your dot pages. As you can also see here, general file types are supported, like JPEGs, PNGs, GIFs, SVGs, etc. In your gallery, you can see the state of your image by hovering it. If an image status is live, that means that it's been used in one or more projects, and therefore it can't be deleted. You can also edit your image name or delete them if need be. You can also delete multiple files in one go, again assuming that they're not used in another project. As a side note, changing the image name will have no effect on the file itself.